Do you want to stream games live on TikTok, or you want to share your screen live on TikTok, but you don't have this feature that allows you to do so? It's called the mobile gaming feature. I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to apply for this feature. Now, as you're getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, go ahead and go to your TikTok profile, log into your TikTok, and then go to your profile. Press up on the menu button right there. Then press on settings and privacy. After settings and privacy, scroll right here to the bottom and then press on report a problem. Make sure that you press on report a problem right there. Now they'll bring you here. Make sure that you press up on search for an issue right there. Now press on the search space right there and then search mobile gaming. Make sure that you search mobile gaming. After searching for mobile gaming, they'll bring you these results. Make sure that you press right here on the third option, mobile gaming. I'm unable to access the mobile gaming live function right there. After pressing there, they are going to bring you here. They'll bring you this information. Make sure that you scroll right to the bottom. Make sure that you skip that information and scroll to the bottom. They'll ask you, was your problem resolved? Make sure that you press on no. Press on no, not yes. After pressing on no, press on need more help right there. Make sure that you press on need more help. And they are going to bring you here. Make sure that you explain your issue to TikTok. Say, hi TikTok team, I don't have the mobile gaming feature, but I would like to stream games live on TikTok. Please give me that feature. They'll not give you that function in 1 day or 2 days, but maybe in 1 week or 1 month or a few weeks, they'll give you that function. Make sure that you keep on reporting that problem. They will give you that function. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.